Number 7, the local government of a province passes an ordinance limiting media access to criticize official. Which constitutional principle is being violated? Ano po? Is it A, separation of powers, B, freedom of expression, C, equal protection of the law, or is it D, the sovereignty of the people? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Ayan, may mga nag-answer. Letter B. Sabi ni Jeric, the answer is indeed correct. Letter B. That is indeed the freedom of expression. So, regardless po kung ano po yung inyong opinion, maaari ninyong ipahayag, negatibo man ito o positibo, tungkol sa isang opisyal. Ano po? Now, remember that in our law, rights are not absolute. Ibig sabihin, hindi naman ito maaari mong i-insist at all times, at all situations. Because our rights are limited by the rights of others. So kung halimbawa, yes, you do have the freedom to say what you want, but sometimes you do have to face some consequences. If this information that you mentioned is, let's say, could potentially be uh, defame. Okay, may defamation tayo, can defame a person, or it could uh, risk the integrity of the person. So you could be pwede kang ihabla for libel o paninirang puri. Ano po? So yes, you could say what you want and you will not be uh, okay, hindi ka makukulong dahil doon. Pero sabi nga natin, kung nalabag mo naman ang karapatan ng iba, that's the limit. Okay?